Hey girlies, no new uploads this week. However, I am having a wig sale tomorrow night at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That is Friday, January 31st at 9 p.m. Be there or be freaking square. I will have the link to the wig sale in the description section below, so do not forget to check that out. If you're too lazy to go look down there, it is teijae.com, tj.com. Now, if you are new to my wig sale, it is first come, first serve. My website does go down at 8:50 p.m. Okay, and then it comes back live, available for purchase at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Don't be late. Now, I am currently working on the website right now, so if you are seeing past wigs from the last wig sale on there, that is why, because I'm currently updating the website. Check back later tonight or early tomorrow morning, and all the wigs that I am currently selling should be there. I do have a few older wigs in this wig sale. Y'all, I come a long way, okay? When I look at those install videos, baby, but that's neither here or there. I just wanted to put that out there. I do need a new system. I think I'm gonna start doing wig sales monthly instead of whenever. That's it. I think I covered everything for the most part. Also, please be mindful to read the description section beside the wigs. It will tell you everything you need to know about that wig that you are interested in. All right, okay, don't skip it. All sales are final, so please be sure to read thoroughly and carefully before purchasing. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your evening, and I will see you guys tomorrow at 9 p.m. All right, y'all. Bye.